Let's talk about why sleep problems are so common in addiction and early recovery, and why fixing your sleep is one of the most important things you can do. Poor sleep is the #1 reason people relapse. Here's what substances do to your sleep. Alcohol might make you fall asleep faster, but it fragments your sleep throughout the night. It reduces both deep sleep and REM sleep. You wake up more often, even if you don't remember it. The next day, you're left with higher anxiety and irritability, which raises your relapse risk. Cannabis might shorten the time it takes to fall asleep, but it reduces REM sleep and disrupts your sleep architecture. Over time, especially with tolerance and withdrawal, your sleep becomes lighter and less restorative. Nicotine, including vapes, is a stimulant. It delays when you fall asleep and increases nighttime awakenings. And because nicotine withdrawal happens overnight while you're sleeping, it disturbs your sleep even more. Both effects make you more vulnerable to cravings the next day. Sedatives and over-the-counter PM medications might knock you out, but they suppress deep and REM sleep and impair memory consolidation. They also carry dependence risk. Stimulants and caffeine too late in the day push your bedtime later and make your sleep shallower. Even things like screens and heavy late meals can fragment your night. The bottom line? These substances trade short-term sedation for long-term terrible sleep architecture, and bad sleep creates a cascade of problems. When you don't sleep well, you get less immune rest, less tissue repair, and weaker learning and memory. Your cortisol spikes, your blood sugar regulation worsens, insulin resistance increases. Inflammation goes up, which is linked to low mood, more pain, and greater vulnerability to using again. Over time, poor sleep is associated with weight gain, sexual dysfunction, lower bone strength, higher risk for multiple diseases including cancer and dementia, and a shorter lifespan. In recovery, poor sleep shows up as halt, hungry, angry, lonely, and tired. It makes everything harder to regulate. But here's the good news. When sleep normalizes, these systems begin to stabilize. Your mood improves, your thinking clears, your cravings decrease. Your body heals. Sleep isn't optional.